Hello everybody, welcome to yet another interesting question from class 10 arithmetic progression. Let us quickly read this particular question. If mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term of an AP is 1 by m, then show that its mnth term is 1. See what they've basically given, let us quickly write it. So what they've given is that the mth term of the AP is given as what? 1 by n, and the nth term of the AP is given as 1 by m. Yes. So what we have to find is that is like we should not find anything. We have to show that mth term of that particular AP is equal to 1, like that we have to show that. Okay, so let us quickly see how to do this particular question. See, whatsoever question you have solved, in all those questions this mnth term or this nth term, it represents a particular term, correct? So if you have to find what is the value of the particular term, what formula you have studied, students? You have studied that like t nth is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here also we are going to apply the same formula. So what formula we are going to apply? Formula is equal to t nth is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to use that particular formula only. So let us proceed it. See, mth term is equal to 1 by n, like that they have said. So a plus, instead of like what n minus 1 into d, I have to write m minus 1 into d. Since see, nth term means n minus 1, mth term means m minus 1, okay, which is equal to 1 by n. Okay, so this, consider just this as the first equation. So next they have given that nth term is equal to 1 by m, correct children? So yeah. So nth term means like a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 1 by m, like that I can write, children. So consider this as the second equation. Now just using elimination or substitution or whatever method you prefer, just solve these two equations to get your required answer. Okay, so we have the first equation as a plus m minus 1 into d, which is equal to 1 by n. This is your first equation, and your second equation is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 1 by m, correct children? So just equate this, just subtract these both equations. Okay children, yeah, so just subtract it. So this a will get cancelled and just put a minus over here. See, because like the sign change process should occur when you're gonna do these things, right? So you'll get like m minus 1 into d minus of n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 1n minus 1m. Okay, great children. So now what I can write this as, see, using the binomial multiplication I can multiply these terms, correct? So m into d is md minus 1 into d is minus d, or you can write minus 1d, both are one and the same, right children? So minus of n into d, correct, which is minus nd, and minus into minus plus 1 into d is 1d, which is equal to, like, take LCM children, so it will be mn will be your LCM, so m will be going over here, minus n will be going over here, children. Yes children, so in all the terms, particularly what you can see is that is d is common in all the terms, so take d common out, d into m, okay, m minus d ones are right, minus d into n, like nd divided by d, it will be n, correct? So plus 1, which is equal to m minus n divided by mn, correct children? So see over here, minus 1 plus 1, just it will get cancelled out. So d into m minus n is equal to m minus n divided by mn, correct? So m minus n, m minus n, it gets cancelled out. So d is equal to 1 by mn, correct children? Understood up to this step? See, after every elimination method, you used to substitute the value which you have got in the previous equation, right? So we are gonna do that only. Okay, so like we have the equation as a plus m minus 1 into d, which is equal to 1 by n, correct children? So just substitute the value of d as 1 by mn. Okay, so a plus m minus 1 into d is what? 1 by mn, which is equal to 1 by n. Just transpose this because we want the value of a. So a is equal to 1 by n minus of m minus 1 into 1 by mn, correct children? Yeah, so a is equal to, see, 1 by n minus m minus 1 divided by mn. I can write it like that now, because 1 into anything is the same number. So a will be equals to, see, take LCM, see over here, let's see how to take the LCM, mn and n. See, n into m, 1 m, okay, so mn is the LCM, so into m, so m minus, see, already mn is there, so m minus of m minus 1, okay children, understood? Okay, so a will be equals to m minus of m, so m minus into minus 1 plus 1 divided by mn. So a is equal to m, this gets cancelled, right children? So 1 is remaining, 1 by mn. So value of a is also 1 by mn. We got that, right? So now children, due to the calculations, we have got these things. D is equal to 1 by mn and A is equal to 1 by mn. Both values are same, we have got. See, what I said basically in the first itself, I normally said that if you have to find any particular term, you have to use this formula. Since we have the value of A and D, and we are going to find the value of nth term, like we are going to find the value of these things, okay? So mnth term, the value of that only we are going to find. So t mnth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, like that we have got. Now in the place of that, this is that, so mn minus 1 into d. Understood children? Yes children. So t mnth term is equal to a, what is the value of a? 1 by mn, right? So plus mn minus 1 into d value is also 1 by mn. Correct children? Okay children, see, t mn is equal to 1 by mn. So mn plus mn minus 1 divided by mn, correct? So t mn is equal to 1 by mn. So now take LCM. See what you will get, mn, just it's the same, right? Mn. So 1 plus mn minus 1. So t mn is equal to 1 plus mn minus 1, because plus into minus, it's minus, right? So divided by mn. So what it will be? So this gets cancelled. So t mn is equal to this 1 and this 1 gets cancelled. Plus minus gets cancelled. Now what is the remaining thing? Mn divided by mn. Correct. So mn and mn gets cancelled. So 1 is the remaining. So we have proved that mnth term is equal to 1. This is what we were required to prove. That is mnth term is equal to 1. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you.